In order to create an Apple account on your iPhone 17, first of all, we can open Settings. Over here at the top, you should be able to find Apple account. You might be signed into your account already, so if you want to create a new account, then you will have to sign out. So once you go to Apple account, to your Apple account, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the setting in order to find the sign out option. So now we're gonna tap on Apple account. Over here, we can choose don't have an Apple account, and then we continue. So first we need to choose our age range. I'm gonna set adult. I'm gonna choose adult. There we go. Now we can set up our first name, last name, and also date of birth. So once you tap over here, you can of course scroll through these years, and you can set up the date. Once you select the month and the year, you can tap again, and then you can choose the specific day, of course. There we go. And once you fill everything over here, you should be able to press continue at the bottom. After that, you need to choose your email address. You need to enter your email address, or you can choose don't have an email address instead if you don't have one. And in addition to that, we can toggle announcements. So if you don't want to receive Apple emails and communications and for like marketing and stuff, then of course we can turn it off. And then once you set up your email address over here, you can press continue, of course. And after that, you need to simply follow the rest of the instructions that you will see on the screen in order to finalize the process of creating your Apple account. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.